Friends, when we hear the word mobile, we remember what we used to do with our phones. We used to be busy doing stuffs which may or may not be productive in it. We have already discussed about 15 amazing facts about mobile phones in our previous video. The response I got from it was, keeping it in mind, I am making its second part. If you haven't watched first part yet, then link is in description, please go through it. This video is going to kick off your mind. Today, I will surely tell you some amazing mobile facts, but there is some extra touch at last. I request you to watch full video, you will surely going to be amazed. Without wasting any time, let's get into the topic. Number 1. Do you know how much does it cost to full charge your smartphone? Less than $1 per year. Now, after knowing this fact, please don't charge your phone more than required. It will not going to charge 101%. Number 2. There are 2.7 million apps in Play Store, but 65% of smartphone users don't even download a single app in a month. Number 3. How many times do you unlock your phone in a day? If you are a gamer, I can say it with full confidence that you will not unlock your phone for more than 5 times, because you will not lock your phone as you are busy playing games. But in average, each person unlocks his or her smartphone 110 times per day. Number 4. When you chat with your crush, your typing speed becomes amazingly fast. But do you know, Marcel Fernandes Filho from Brazil is known as the fastest texter of the world. In just 18.19 seconds, he was able to text the following message: the razor-toothed piranhas of genus Serrasalmus and Pygoscentrus are the most ferocious freshwater fish in the world. In reality, they seldom attack a human, which is listed in the Guinness Book of World Records. Do you know someone who can break this record? Please admit it in the comment box. Number 5. More people have died by taking selfies in 2015 than by shark attacks. There is nothing to explain. It is their carelessness which took their life. Number 6. We use mobile phones so oftenly that from the chemicals found on the surface of our mobile phones, scientists can know about our lifestyle. They can know the grooming products we use, food and medication we take, etc. Number 7. Sometimes not finding the charging dock can make us so irritated. Now scientists have developed a way of charging mobile phones using urine. Charging mobile phones using urine. How odd it sounds, right? As I have already told you that there is some extra touch in the end. I am trying it to make extremely useful and informative. Do you know the radiation that comes from the mobile phones can cause insomnia, headaches and confusion? Insomnia, literally known as the inability to sleep, is the one of the major consequences of using mobile phones. Irritability, depression, anxiety, etc. are the major symptoms of insomnia. Your concentration power decreases and you cannot focus on your work properly. It may result in accident as you become uncoordinated. You can get confused easily whether it is mathematical or psychological problems as your mind gets diverted. Moreover, there is always danger for your eyes. If you have watched our previous video, you also know what can fogging do. My request to all viewers is that don't waste your whole time using mobiles. I am not saying to stop using it completely. Using for being relaxed and using for only time pass is very different. You can play other outdoor games like cricket, football, whereas indoor games like chess and ludo can be good option. You can prefer doing your hobbies like drawing, cooking or something that you like to do. Be careful now to be carefree later. If you like the video, please do like and comment your suggestion below. Sharing this video to your friends can make a difference. If you think this channel is capable of making you clear about different materials, then consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell icon. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.